Welcome to the channel Quick Quiz Masters. Be quick to master. Quickly subscribe the channel. The branch of science that studies the preparation, properties, structure and reactions of material substances is called physics, biology, chemistry, all of these. The dimensions of pressure are the same as that of force per unit volume, energy per unit volume, force, energy. Which of the following has maximum numbers of water molecules? 18 molecules of water, 1.8 grams of water, 18 grams of water, 18 moles of water. Which of the following terms are unitless? Molarity, mole fraction, mass percent. Which one decreases with dilution? Specific conductance, molar conductance, equivalent conductance. The drug which is used for treating AIDS victims is azithromycin, cisplatin, Taxol, all of these. Which of the following is a pair of physical and chemical property respectively of a substance? Acidity and combustibility, color and density, basicity and color, density and acidity. Which of the following is not a homogeneous mixture? Smoke, air, brass, aqueous solution of sugar. Chemistry is a dash science: social, central, fictional, recent. Microprocessors used in computers are dash chips developed by chemists: carbon, phosphate, titanium, silicon. If two or more phases are present in a mixture, then it is called a dash mixture: heterogeneous, homogeneous, homologous, heterologous. Which of the following is a compound? Graphite, brass, milk, 22 karat gold. Substances which cannot be decomposed into two different substances by a chemical process are called atoms, molecules, elements, compounds. There are dash fundamental SI units: 5, 3, 12, 7. Joseph Priestley found that the gas evolved on heating mercury oxides supported vigorous burning. He named this gas as oxygen, phlogisticated air, hydrogen. Dash law of combining volumes states that whenever gases combine, they do so in the simple ratio by volumes: Avogadro's, Gay-Lussac's, Dalton's, Thomson's. Pure water can be obtained from various resources, but it always contains hydrogen and oxygen combined in a ratio of 1:8 by weight. This is an example of law of conservation of mass, Avogadro's law, law of definite composition, Gay-Lussac's law. Dalton assumed that dash are the smallest particles of compound: atoms, molecules, ions, elements. Mole is the SI unit of volume, pressure, amount of substance, density. Mass percentage of each constituent element present in 100 gram of compound is called its molecular composition, atomic composition, percentage composition, mass composition. Molar solution is one that contains 1 moles of solute in 100 gram of the solvent, 1.5 liter of the solvent, 1 liter of the solution, 22 liters of the solution. Which of the following law states that equal volume of all gases contain equal number of molecules? Boyle's law, Charles' law, Avogadro's law, Gay-Lussac's law. Avogadro's law distinguishes between cations and anions, atoms and molecules, atoms and ions, molecules and ions. The number of atoms present in a molecule of a substance is called dash. Atomicity, volume, density, mass. Dash indicates the actual number of constituent atoms in a molecule. Empirical formula, molecular formula, empirical mass, molecular mass. Dash reactant is the reactant that reacts completely but limits further progress of the reaction, oxidizing, reducing, limiting access. Dash cannot be carried out in a lab. Photosynthesis, reduction, oxidation, hydration. Which of the following elements of matter would best convey that there is a life on Earth? Oxygen, hydrogen, carbon, iron. Which one of the following properties of an element is not a variable? Valency, atomic weight, equivalent weight, molar mass. In known elements, the maximum number of dash are present. Metals, non-metals, metalloids, none of these. Do comment your score, share this video to your class and school fellows, share and subscribe the channel, press the bell icon for next videos. Thanks for watching.